After installing shortly from Shopify App Store, this dashboard will appear. First of all, select your preferred language. Now click on Submit. Here click on Get Started. Write your brand name here. Enter your email for notifications about your collabs. Now select your time zone. Click on Next. In the next step, select your default domain in case you have multiple domains. Now select the cookie duration. This will decide for how long you can track the customer information through the shortly created link. Click on Next Step. Now set up the affiliate program. It's optional to set it up, as you can use the app in both ways, with or without setting up the affiliate program. Set up the commission you want to pay to your affiliate. You can either select percentage or fixed amount. Now select on which basis you want to share the commission. Here, order price, include the product price, shipping cost, and tax. You can also give commission on product price only, or product price with shipping cost or tax. You can set up a discount that would be applied on checkout if the product is opened via shortly created link. If you don't want to set up the affiliate program here, turn off this button and click on Next Step. Now select the plan that suits your need. I would suggest the Pro plan, as you can enjoy unlimited features in this plan. Now you can create and track links effortlessly. Thank you for watching.